This week we continue our series on Las Vegas hotels. Next stop, Virgin Hotel on this edition of Traveling Joe. Hello everybody, it's Traveling Joe, and today we're at the Virgin Hotel in Las Vegas. The hotel is part of the Curio Collection by Hilton and includes 1,504 rooms. It's located about a mile east of the Strip. If you're enjoying our videos, please make sure to like and subscribe to the channel and ring the notification bell. The hotel was previously operated as the Hard Rock Hotel from 1995 to 2020. It was reopened in 2021 and was rebranded as Virgin Hotels. Just got dropped off at the hotel, so let's check it out. As you enter the hotel, the registration area will be to your left. Check-in time is 3 p.m. and check-out time is 11 a.m. While I normally use mobile check-in, I didn't on this particular trip, but it didn't matter because the line was pretty short. Staff was courteous and friendly, and I was even able to check in a little bit early. If you arrive early and there are no rooms available, there is a bell desk right next to the registration where you could store your luggage. We're all checked in, let's head upstairs. There are 3 guest room towers, the Canyon, Opal, and Ruby. My room was located in the Canyon Tower on the 6th floor. They call the guest rooms here chambers. And as soon as I entered the chamber, I was pleasantly surprised. The room is extra large at 460 square feet. The chamber was spacious and open and featured a king-size bed, along with a sofa and a table. The Canyon Tower is the middle of the 3 towers and is closest to the casino. Rooms have been totally renovated from the Hard Rock days, and they are loaded with amenities. The privacy door separates your sleeping lounge from the dressing room. There are modern lighting fixtures throughout, and it includes a large Samsung interactive TV. You can control your room temperature and your lighting right through the TV. A mini bar is also supplied. At the entrance to the room, there is a dedicated dressing area, which includes a well-lit vanity mirror. The closet area features plenty of storage, along with an iron and ironing board and your in-room safe. The bathroom area is quite spacious and features a full-length mirror. The bathroom also features a vanity with a lighted mirror. The vanity features a single sink, and plenty of towels are also provided. The shower area is separated by a door. It features an extra large shower with glass doors, as well as 2 shower heads. Shampoo and conditioner are also provided. Overall, I was extremely impressed with this room. Finally, my room faced west with a great view of the pool area as well as the Las Vegas Strip in the background. Once the sun goes down, the view is really spectacular. Okay, that takes care of the room. Let's head down to the casino level. The casino is operated by Mohegan Gaming Entertainment and is the first Native American tribe operating a casino in Las Vegas. Across the gaming floor, you'll find over 550 slot machines to test your luck. The casino floor is open and modern with a contemporary flair, but it definitely has a low-key atmosphere. There are over 45 table games with favorites like roulette, 3-card poker, craps, blackjack, and pai-gow poker. If you're a high roller, you could head over to the high-limit table area, which also includes Heat Bar. In addition, there's a high-limit slots area, which offers slot machines with higher denominations. The room is small, but there are still plenty of machines to choose from. If you want to place a wager, head over to Betfred Sportsbook. Watch all your favorite sports on giant TV screens, and there are several betting options including parlays, in-game wagering, futures, props, and more. Most of the bars, restaurants, and retail areas are located right on the casino floor. Let's take a look. The bar at Commons Club and the Shag Room are located right at the front of the casino. Common Club Lounge is designed for people to gather and enjoy themselves. The bar features locally sourced wine by the glass, as well as beer and craft brews. Desert Star is located on the gaming floor near the Ruby Tower entrance. The lounge offers video poker as well as table games where you can enjoy a cocktail. There are several dining options located right on the casino floor, including Nobu. This world-famous Japanese restaurant features seafood, sushi, as well as imported delicacies. Reservations are suggested. Cassie Beach House offers authentic coastal Italian cuisine alongside a refreshing wine, beer, and cocktail menu. The restaurant also features exciting DJ lineups throughout the day and night. In addition to inside seating, there's also select poolside seating available. Also located on the casino floor is the Kitchen at Commons Club. This is a contemporary American eatery that also has British influences. The restaurant is open 24/7. Next, we come to One Steakhouse. One Steakhouse was created by Morton family brothers. The restaurant features steaks sourced from Midwest ranchers, as well as surf and turf specialties. The restaurant is open from 5 p.m. daily. If you're looking for Thai food, head over to Night Market. This is where California chill meets Bangkok frenzy. Chef Chris Yembaroon brings his award-winning LA street food to Las Vegas. Some of the dishes are traditional, some are evolutions, and some are not even Thai at all. Pizza Forte features a fast casual pizza walk-up counter. Here you'll find New York-style and Roman-style pizzas, along with homemade Italian meatballs and other delights. Among the retail outlets on the casino floor are Hudson. Here you'll find magazines, snacks, and beverages. Is your destination for innovative products and electronics. Just next door is Fifth and Sunset Luxury Eyewear. You'll find both budget and high fashion brands here. Swag offers an extensive selection of Las Vegas branded merchandise. Okay, that does it for the casino floor. Now let's head down the hall toward the Opal Tower. There you'll find Dunkin', America's favorite everyday stop for coffee and donuts. Chill by Hudson offers all the essentials, including books, magazines, snacks, beverages, and more. Chill by Hudson is open every day beginning at 6 a.m. As we continue down the hall, we come to the Funny Library. Funny Library Coffee Shop offers delicious coffee, pastries, as well as fresh and healthy light bites. The coffee shop is open daily from 5:30 a.m. to 1 p.m. Takes care of the casino level, so now let's head up the escalators to level 2. Here you'll find the spa, gym, and the juice bar. The spa offers a variety of services, including massages, body wraps, facials, waxing service, and more. The store is a juice bar which serves replenishing smoothies and fresh juices. And there's a full-service gym, which is open 24 hours a day. The gym offers the latest in cardio and strength training equipment and overlooks the pool area. Speaking of the pool, I saved the best for last. Let's take a look. The pool area here is an outdoor oasis and a great place to relax. There are 3 pools here, and the area covers over 5 acres. This area has been transformed into a modern desert oasis. The resort pool is just steps away from the hotel and is nestled among a distinctive modern desert landscape. The pool features a sandy beach and has plenty of chairs to go around. Because of its proximity to the hotel, this pool fills up pretty quickly, so you definitely want to get here early. Bananas and day beds are also available for rent at the resort pool. Just beyond the resort pool, you'll find a full-service bar. Here you'll be able to enjoy beer, wine, and delicious cocktails. In addition to drinks, food service is also available at the pool. Next to the pool bar is the event lawn, which has a stage and hosts various events throughout the year. This is a great way to enjoy events under the Vegas sky. Now let's take a walk up the steps to the second level of the resort pool. Here you'll find the popular Ilia Beach Club. The club is only open during the weekends. Fortunately, I was here during the week. There is also a third pool located on this level. This too is an adults-only pool. The pool also offers cabanas and has a full-service food and beverage menu. You can see there's plenty to see and do at the Virgin Hotel. And if you don't mind being off the strip, this is a place you definitely want to check out. Well, it's time to wrap things up. I hope you enjoyed our video today, and if you did, please make sure to like and subscribe. This is Traveling Joe saying thanks for watching, and we'll see you in our next video.